A very fresh good morning, good afternoon to all of you, respected honorable chief guests, teachers, and all team members from Vision team. Literally, I feel so blessed to have born in such a beautiful country, the country of martyrs. I feel gratitude that I got this opportunity to tell about our real heroes, not real heroes. They depict the real meaning of heroism. Today I'm going to turn the golden page of history with the story of a man who had cracked Indian civil service examination with fourth rank at a time when people were busy in doing odd jobs, in living simple and ordinary life. He was creating the future of India. It was just the spark that led the formation of Azad Hind Fauj. The man who has fluency over 9 different languages. Can you believe it? A man who has a fluency over 9 different languages. Yes, you are right. He is none other than Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji is not just a name. It is the title of a bravery and presence of mind. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Odisha, Cuttack. His father was a famous lawyer named Janakinath Bose and mother was Prabhavati Bose, who was a housemaker. He completed his matriculation from Protestant European College and graduation from Scottish Church College. And after that, in 1939, he got the post of President of Congress, Indian National Congress. But due to the differentiation in the psychology of Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji, he resigned his presidency. Means he literally resigned his post and made his own party, All India Bloc Forward Party. Apart from being a remarkable student, he was an unparalleled patriot, the patriot of patriots. He went to Germany to seek help from Adolf Hitler. Hitler received him warmly and promised him all needed help from Germany. He gave him 2 years of military training. But he don't know the gem of leadership, the next phase of independence had been taking training there. While in Germany, he made his Indian National Army and went to Japan, more nearer to India. But at that time, World War II took place. Japan took over the army and Britishers restrained him from coming to India. He born, he lived, he died. For what reason? Can you tell me? For country, sir. Let us have a conversational tone apart from academic tone for a while. But all we want, a happy life, good job, social respect. This is the idea of the most of the people. But he was not one of them. He gave up his cushy job, his family. For what reason? Can you tell me? For country, sir. After 75 years of his death, his psychology prevails. I think this is the best way to begin the new year with reviving his ideas. We must understand, you, the people, have power to live the life free and beautiful. You, the people, have a power to live this life adventurous and wonderful. Let us all unite. Don't take life so granted, because the path of freedom has been paved by many of freedom fighters. Let us all unite. Thank you.